is it just me, or does it look like every time you clean your kitchen, you step away for a few minutes, come back, and it's all messy all over again? Welcome to NG Foodware. Today's video, they're as important as cooking healthy meals, so I'm gonna get right to it and have you enjoy the natural sounds. But first, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Like and share my videos to all your friends and family. Feel free to share. Your support means so much, and I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sharing my videos with all your friends and family. Again, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Like this video, share with all your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.